Assalamu alaikum, my lovely people. Hope you're all in the best state of health with Sandy Man. Welcome to Iwat Eti Kitchen. In today's video, Bidin Lai Ta'ala, we're going to be making this special egg noodles. So let's begin. Bismillah. The list of the ingredients used will be added to the description section below, so kindly check it out. I'm using one medium size of red onion, slice or dice to desired shape and sizes. Then set it aside. Next is to prep your beef. You can use already cooked beef or fresh beef, depends on your preferences. After I finish slicing this, I set it aside while I put the pan on the cooker. This is the first time I'm using this pan. I think it gets hotter quickly. It's already burning. The pan is already burning. Anyway, I'm adding some oil to this. That is about 200 ml of sunflower oil. I add a little bit of onions to check whether the oil is hot enough. Add the remaining onions, fry for like 1 minute, then add the beef and let it fry for like 5 minutes while I prep the chicken. You can use fresh chicken, but I'm using steamed chicken bought from A to Z. This makes cooking easier for me. I don't know what they had to the chicken, but it's very juicy. No matter how you cook it, it still retains its juiciness. Anyway, slice and dice it to desired shape. Once you are done, add it to the beef and let it stir fry for like 5 minutes while I prep the other ingredients. I don't know why I decided to pound the scotch bonnet instead of chopping it or using blender. Maybe because it's little and I don't want to bring out any gadgets. Also, this will be a form of hand exercise. Anyway, once you are done with the chopping, next is to add it to the beef and the chicken. Mix well and let it continue simmering for like 5 minutes. Next is to add the already cooked prawns. Add some seasoning of your choice, but I'm using both chicken and beef stock powder. Mix all the ingredients together and at this time let it continue simmering on low heat while I prep the noodles. For the noodles, I'm using 3 packs of egg noodles, which is 12 nests in total. Add seasoning. I'm using 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Follow it up by adding hot water. Let the water cover the noodles. Once that is done, add a little bit of oil, then cover it and let it steam for like 4 minutes. Set it aside while I continue with the protein. I'm adding in some pepper. Mix well and let it continue cooking. I forgot to add salt to the noodles, so I'm doing that right now. Next is to fry some eggs. You can remove these proteins from the pan and use the same pan for the egg, or you can use different one, depend on your choice. By the time I finish frying the egg, the noodles is also ready. So strain the noodles out, then set aside. Add a lot of sesame oil to the pan. You can also mix it with sunflower oil or any other oil of your choice. Once it is hot, add the noodles. This is the stage in which you need your hand muscles to do the work. We have to add some spices and seasoning to the noodles. So I'm going in with the sweet chili sauce. I use 2 pouch. Follow it by Worcester sauce. Then add oyster sauce, Follow it up by adding soy sauce. This soy sauce, although they say is dark, but trust me, it's very light. I just add oyster sauce and follow it up by adding teriyaki sauce. Mix well until you are satisfied with the result. If you need to add more sauce, you can do that. After mixing well, next I'm adding in some vegetable. I try to tuck in the vegetable underneath the noodles so that it can stir fry a little bit. Then I use the noodles to cover it and let it continue simmering for like 2 minutes while I prep more vegetable. I'm going to chop more cabbage to be added to the noodles. I use two different type of cabbage. Once I add the two cabbage, I mix well and let it continue cooking while I add the proteins. Once you add the protein back, try your best to mix everything well until they are all combined. And that is it. Your special egg noodles is ready and it's time to serve. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and learn one or two things from it. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, Iwat, and don't forget to keep smiling.